The angels are in motion, and you can feel the energy in the air. Something profound is about to come to light, and the truth that has been hidden, suppressed, and concealed for so long is finally going to emerge. There is someone you have met who, in the silence of their thoughts, holds a feeling so strong, so secret, that they can barely contain it any longer. This love, which seemed harmless and perhaps even fleeting, is about to reveal itself in a way that you could not have predicted. This feeling you have stirred did not arise overnight. It has been growing, almost unnoticed, like a seed planted in the depths of that person's soul. With every glance, every word exchanged, this connection has been taking shape, evolving into something much more powerful than either of you could have imagined. And the most surprising thing is that, no matter how much this person has tried to hide, suppress, and even ignore what they felt, the power of this love is simply too great to be contained. You may not have noticed the signs, or perhaps you chose to ignore them. But the truth is that this secret love is embedded in every gesture, in every word that this person shares with you, even when they try to keep things on a superficial level. What he or she feels is so intense that even in moments of silence, the energy between the two of you speaks louder than any words could express. Now, the universe is preparing the ground for everything to be exposed. You are about to discover the depth of this feeling, and it will change the way you see this person and perhaps even the way you see yourself. The angels have been watching this situation for a long time, and they know that the time has come to intervene. They are orchestrating the events that will finally lead to the revelation of this secret love. There is something special about the way you connect with this person. It's not just physical presence or superficial attraction, but a deeper spiritual connection that transcends time and space. This connection, although invisible to the eyes, is felt very real, and this person knows it. Even if they haven't been able to fully understand what was happening, they are now starting to have a clarity about their feelings that they have never had before. What impresses the angels the most is the fact that, for a long time, this person has tried to resist this love. They may have distanced themselves, tried to maintain an emotional distance, or even involved themselves with others in an attempt to forget what they felt for you. But none of these attempts have worked. What you two share is something beyond rational understanding, something that cannot be simply ignored or discarded. This person has spent sleepless nights reflecting on what they feel for you. They tried to find logical explanations, rationalize their feelings, but all they managed to do was to further increase the confusion in their mind. Because what they feel is not something that can be explained by logic or reason. It's a feeling that comes directly from the heart, from the soul, and the more they try to escape it, the more intense it becomes. Now the angels whisper in their ears, guiding them so that they finally have the courage to expose what they feel. The love that has been kept secret for so long is about to be revealed, and it will happen in an unexpected way, which may catch you completely by surprise. Get ready for a moment of great revelation, because what comes next will change everything between you two. The angels are preparing you for a moment of truth, a moment that will be so powerful that you won't be able to ignore it. This person, who has tried to hide their feelings for so long, will no longer be able to keep up this facade. What seemed to be a friendship or a casual connection between the two of you is about to take a new turn. The universe is conspiring for this secret love to come to light, and the way this will happen will be so clear and evident that you won't have any doubts. If you have been feeling a strange energy in the air lately, a tension that seems to arise out of nowhere when you are together, know that this reflects the unspoken feelings of this person. Their gazes, which may have seemed merely affectionate before, now carry a depth that catches your attention. Perhaps you have noticed that this person is more introspective, more distant at times, and this may have caused a sense of confusion in you. But the truth is that this emotional distance is actually an attempt to deal with the whirlwind of emotions they are experiencing. The angels tell you that, no matter how confused you may be feeling about these changes in behavior, everything is part of a bigger plan. This person is being guided to confront their feelings head-on, and this involves a process of reflection and even internal struggle. Yes, this person is struggling with their own feelings, trying to rationalize them, but the truth is that the love they feel for you is too strong to be ignored. You will notice in the coming days small signs that something is about to happen. These signs may come up in conversations, in gestures, or even in dreams you have about this person. The angels are sending you these signs so that you are prepared for what is to come. They want you to know that, when the right moment arrives, it will be important for you to listen to your heart and be open to receive what this person has to say. There is a delicacy in this process because the exposure of this secret love will not come without challenges. This person carries fears, insecurities, and doubts that have held back their feelings for so long. The fear of rejection, of not being understood, or even of losing the connection you already have is something that weighs heavily on them. But the angels are by both sides, ensuring that this moment of revelation is enveloped in an energy of healing and acceptance. You may also have doubts. Perhaps you have wondered if the feelings you have for this person are reciprocated, or if it is all just an illusion of your mind. But the angels assure you it is not an illusion. What you both feel is real, and the intensity of this connection will become even clearer when everything is laid out on the table. This love, which seems to have been born in the shadows, will be illuminated by the truth and clarity that are to come. It is important that when this moment of revelation occurs, you keep your heart open and your mind calm. The truth that will be exposed may stir your emotions in an unexpected way, but the angels are by your side, ready to guide and strengthen you. They want you to know that no matter what happens, everything that is to come is part of a divine plan, a plan that aims for your growth and the growth of this connection. Remember that this love is not common. It is a spiritual bond, something that transcends what most people experience in their relationships. This person sees something in you that they do not find in anyone else. And that is why, despite all attempts to escape these feelings, he or she always ends up coming back to you, in thought, in dream, and in soul. The angels want you to know that everything that is about to happen will be a turning point in your emotional life. This secret love, which has been shrouded in mystery for so long, will now be unveiled in a deep and transformative way. Perhaps you have thought that this person's feelings were just a product of your imagination, or that the connection between the two of you was not as intense as you believed. But what is about to be revealed will completely change your perspective. This person is being guided to open their heart in a way they have never done before. Even if they have appeared closed off or distant, the angels are working behind the scenes, touching their soul and preparing them for this moment of vulnerability. The truth is that this love can no longer be contained. Despite having tried to fight against it, deny it, or even ignore what they felt, this person's heart has already made its choice, and that choice is you. You may have noticed that recently this person has shown signs of change. Perhaps they are more contemplative, more careful with their words, or even more attentive to the small details of your life. This is because they are starting to realize how much you mean to them. Every gesture of yours, every word, leaves deep marks, and the constant presence of this love in their mind makes them reflect on the future. The angels want you to know that this person is going through a very important internal process. It is a battle between the fear of opening up and the need to reveal what they truly feel. There is a part of them that fears that by expressing their feelings, things will never be the same. However, at the same time, they know that continuing to hide this love is no longer an option. And that is exactly why the angels are working to bring all this truth to light. Long ago, this person has been trying to find the emotional security needed to open up their heart. The fear of being rejected, of not being understood, has always been a barrier. But what you have awakened in them is so intense, so transformative, that this barrier is crumbling. The angels are guiding this person to find the necessary courage to confess everything they have been feeling to you. This revelation may happen in an unexpected way. Perhaps during a casual conversation, something will be said, opening up space for true feelings to emerge. Or maybe a gesture, a lingering look, will reveal more than 1,000 words could say. The fact is that the angels are preparing you and this person for this moment. And when it happens, there will be no turning back. Get ready to feel a flood of emotions. This love that has been kept secret for so long will emerge with full force, and it can be both scary and liberating. The angels ask you to trust in this process, even if it seems challenging. They are reminding you that everything happens in divine timing, and that every step of this journey has been carefully planned for both of you to learn and grow. This person may have been preparing for a long time to tell you the truth. The angels whisper that they have rehearsed this moment in their mind countless times, imagining how it would be to confess everything to you. But the right words still seem to elude them. It's as if there were a blockage, an invisible wall between what they feel and what they can express. That's why the angels are intervening, helping them to remove these blockages so that communication between you can flow clearly and truthfully. What is at stake here is not just the revelation of a secret love, but the possibility of an even deeper and spiritual connection between the two of you. The angels are asking you to keep the faith and patience, as what is to come is something that can completely transform your love life. This is an opportunity for healing, growth, and a union stronger than any you have ever experienced before. The angels conclude this message with certainty. The secret love you have awakened in this person is about to reveal itself in all its depth and intensity. But they also warn you that this will be a crucial moment, not only for your relationship with this person, but for your own personal and spiritual growth. This love that has been kept in the shadows for so long will bring to light feelings and truths that both of you will need to deal with wisely. This person, even though they have kept everything secret for so long, is reaching a point where they can no longer deny what they feel. The angels know that the doubts and fears they have carried so far have been deep, but they also know that the love they feel for you is even stronger. This love has the power to break barriers, heal old wounds, and pave the way for a new phase in your lives. The moment of revelation will be a test of courage, for both this person and for you. When everything comes to light, you will need to listen not only with your ears but with your heart. The angels ask you to remain calm and be open to the truth that will be exposed. What you hear may stir you in unexpected ways, bringing forth emotions that have been dormant. However, the angels remind you that every word spoken will be necessary for the healing and evolution of this relationship. This person, in their vulnerability, might fear that you won't understand the depth of their feelings. But the angels are here to ensure that you will be able to see beyond words, beyond insecurities, and see the true heart of this person. They are not only bringing forth a deep love, but also a desire to reconnect with you in an authentic and lasting way. What the angels want you to know is that this connection between you is not a mere coincidence. There is something greater behind all of this. You two have been brought together for a very special reason. And now, with the revelation of this love, you will have the opportunity to experience something truly unique. This person will reach out to you, will speak from their heart, and you will realize that what has been nurtured in secret for so long is, in fact, a powerful force of transformation. This revelation also carries a promise. What is to come may be the beginning of a new phase, a phase of union, mutual understanding, and spiritual growth. The angels are guiding every step of this journey and want you to know that the love you have awakened in this person is not merely fleeting. It has deep roots, with the potential to grow into something even greater, as long as both are willing to walk together in this new phase. Perhaps what comes after this revelation may not be immediate or straightforward. You may need time to process all that will be said, to adjust to the new reality. But the angels assure that, with patience and faith, you can build a connection even stronger and truer than any you have experienced so far. The most important thing is for you to keep faith in what you feel. This love, born in secret, is ready to be revealed, and when that happens, you will understand that everything you have gone through so far was necessary for you to reach this moment. The angels ask you to trust the divine plan and let things unfold in their perfect time. This is the beginning of a new journey for you and this person. A path of growth, healing, and a love that will no longer be kept in the shadows. Open yourself to what is to come, trust the angels, and allow this love to transform your lives in a way you could have never imagined. Let your spirit absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings it holds for you, leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe enlighten your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.